Hi everyone, my name's Mark Friend. I'm a director here at Friend & Grant. I'm just going to quickly demonstrate to you our fee proposal system, which you will see when you come to our discovery meeting. Firstly, what I want to do is just to state that the key point really about this is that all our quotes are bespoke to you, and they cover three significant areas. Firstly, when you go through this process, you'll see a whole range of services which we offer. Secondly, we look at the size and complexity of your business. And thirdly, we're going to be looking at the quality of your books and records. So let's jump in and get going. So firstly, what I would look at if you came to see us would be what is your annual revenue range? So we've got down here a broad range of different types of businesses. And let's say, for example, in this situation, your business is £1 million to £2 million. Our fees are on a subscription basis. So what we normally do is we put in a start date for when the fees would start and an end date. Now let's move straight down. So we've got all the different sections here. First section here is tax mitigation. So this looks at all our services which we can do to reduce your tax liability. Let's move down to financial controller. Again, we've got the different types of business: sole trader, partnership, limited company. So we picked here a limited company. I put down here that the quality of the books and records is good. At the meeting, our discovery meeting, I'll go through this in detail. Basically, we have a matrix of all the things which we'd expect you to do in order to meet the necessary standards, and what you actually are doing in order to determine whether the books are anywhere from terrible all the way to perfect. Next, we look at the number of staff in the company, whether it's less than 3 or above 3, whether you're in construction. So if you are in construction, then CIS will apply. If not, it won't. And then finally down here, we've also got whether you're a cloud-based accounting system or whether it's spreadsheet, manual or desktop. In this example, we're going to look at cloud. We then move down to tax compliance, and this is the number of tax returns which we're doing. So in this example, we've put down there we're going to do 1 year's tax returns for a director, and their fares are fairly straightforward. Moving down, personal tax planning. This would be if really we're just quoting for your tax return. In this example, we're not going to be doing that. Next one down, I'm going to go down to software. Now, for most of our clients, we provide the software. So if it's Xero or QuickBooks, we would actually put you onto our platform, and we will invoice you for the software. So in this example, we've got Xero software, and we've assumed that there is overseas transactions, some foreign transactions, so we're using multi-currency. We're assuming there is at least one bank fee here. And there's no projects required for this particular software. It's a whole raft of products which we can provide to you, and this is one of the big things which we will do when you come to see us. We will go through this in detail to discuss with you how you can get the most from your cloud software. And finally, when we get to the bottom, we just get the calculation. And what comes up is there's your monthly fee, £341 plus VAT in this example. And we can get a breakdown if required, and that's there. So that gives a detailed breakdown of how all the costs have been reached. If you're happy with that, we will then move on to completing the proposal. And we will put your details in there, name and all the other bits and pieces go into there. And then what we do is we will produce a proposal for you in the form of a PDF. And here's the example of one which has just been provided, which we just built. And this will go through to you. We'll basically be able to click the button, send it straight through to you at the meeting or straight afterwards. And it will have details of all the fees in there, a breakdown. And if you are happy with everything, you just need to click the button here and approve the proposal. As I say, this is bespoke to every one of our clients. And hopefully you'll see that it's really comprehensive and fully transparent, and as I say, if you need to make any amendments, we can do so at any stage. Hopefully this has been of interest to you, and look forward to hopefully seeing you at one of our discovery meetings. Thank you.